Hello, students, one more time. This time to explain the use of how long, for, and since with present perfect. Well, let's start with how long. How long, we're going to refer with long about the extension of time. We know that long is the opposite of short in terms of describing, for example, my hair. My hair can be long or short. We're describing the hair. But also time can be in terms of, if we think about a timeline, about the time can extend to long or short time. See, that's what we mean with the extension of time. How long? We're talking about the time. Then we have the words for or since. What is the meaning of for? For, in this sense, it means por. And since means desde. Okay, well, we have here a sentence in present perfect. How long have you studied in high school? We know in the sentence is present perfect because we have the elements we have been reviewing. If you remember, what are they? Have, the person, and studied. See? Okay. And we want to know the time. How long? See, the extension of time that you studied in high school. Okay, well, this question has one possibility of answer in this case using, if I want to use for in the answer, I may say, I have studied for, because I want to use for 2 years. For 2 years. If I'm thinking of the year, this is the year 2020, I started, I'll write it here. If this is the year 2020, and I studied for 2 years, when I started was in 2018, right? For 2 years. So, if I wanted to use since in the sentence, I can say, I have studied since. If I use since, I have to mention when this action started. Okay, so it started in 2018. I'll put the year. Which is the same if I say for 2 years. See? If I started in 2018, 2 years is 2020. This is talking about the extension of time. See? The length of time. 2 years. The length of time. And here, with since, I mentioned the moment I started. Now, what happens if the person answers that, let's see if the sentence is a woman. You may say, she has, remember when we refer to she, I must change to has. She has studied for 1 year. You see the extension of time, or the length of time, is 1 year. I must say she has studied since, I change it to, when was it? If the year now is 2020. 1 year could be since 2019. Okay, so this is the use of for, change to since. Both ideas basically mean the same. We're talking about the time. See, only with this we are talking about the length of time, how long, and here we are answering also for how long, but we mention the moment this action started. Okay, that will be the way we use for or since in the answer for the question how long.